Wait, are you about to create a YouTube channel in 2025? Then stop right there. Because if you set up your channel the wrong way, like 90% of beginners do, you're going to spend months uploading videos, struggling for views, and then blaming your luck when nothing works. But let me tell you something. Your luck isn't the problem. The problem is that no one ever told you about the secret settings and strategies that actually make your channel grow faster. So here's my promise to you. This video is not about creating a basic YouTube channel. Nope. I'm going to show you how to set up a brand channel. The kind that looks professional, sends the right signals to YouTube's algorithm, and positions you for success from day one. Sounds good? Then stay with me till the end, because missing even one step could be the reason your channel never takes off. So, are you ready? Let's start from the very basics. But wait, before we continue, have you ever wondered why some channels grow overnight while others stay stuck for months? Hit subscribe right now, because in the next video, I'll reveal the one setting 90% of creators miss that kills their growth. Step 1. Creating the right email ID. Now here's the truth. You don't need a fancy degree or special skills to start a YouTube channel. But you do need to set things up the right way. First, you need a Gmail account. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. This email should be used only for your YouTube channel. No random subscriptions, no unrelated browsing. Why? Because YouTube tracks everything. The cleaner your account data, the better YouTube understands your niche. Here's how to create it. Open YouTube. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Click Switch Account, Add Account, Create Account. Choose for my personal use. Ignore the business option. Now enter your name, date of birth, gender, pick a username, and create a strong password. Agree to the terms, click Next, and done. Your new Gmail is ready. But remember, this email is your YouTube identity. Treat it like that. Don't mess it up with random stuff. Step 2. Creating your channel. Now it's time to bring your channel to life. Open YouTube again, click your profile picture, and select Create a Channel. Here, you'll add your channel name, logo, and handle. And this is where most beginners go wrong. They pick weird names with numbers or symbols that look unprofessional. Don't do that. Instead, open ChatGPT and type, "I'm creating a YouTube channel about XYZ content." Suggest 10 unique, catchy channel name ideas no one else is using. Pick the one you love. Then set the same name as your handle. If it's not available, add official at the end and you're good to go. We'll add the logo later, so leave it blank for now. Step 3. Warming up your channel. Here's a secret no one talks about. Before you upload your first video, you need to train YouTube about what your channel is about. How? Start watching videos in your niche. Subscribe to 2 or 3 top creators in the same category. And if you see videos unrelated to your topic, click the 3 dots and select Not Interested. This tells YouTube, hey, this channel is all about this topic. And guess what? When you start uploading, YouTube will automatically recommend your videos to the same audience. Step 4. Complete channel setup. Now, let's lock in the right settings. Click on Settings in the top right corner. Go to Channel, then Basic Info, and then select your country. Add 3 to 4 tags related to your niche. Next, click on Advanced Settings. Here's something important. Select No. Set this channel as not made for kids. Why? Because if you choose the first option, some features like comments and monetization tools might be restricted. Ignore the rest for now and go straight to feature eligibility. This unlocks important options for growth later. Quick question. What if I told you the next video will fix the single biggest mistake that stops YouTube from recommending your content? Hit subscribe now, because in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this issue so YouTube finally promotes your videos. Step 5. 3 secret settings most beginners miss. Now listen carefully. This part is super important. There are 3 hidden settings inside YouTube that most new creators either skip or don't even know about. And guess what? These settings directly affect your reach. If they're disabled, your videos might never get pushed out. But if you enable them, YouTube literally gives your content a wider audience. Sounds exciting, right? Let's turn them on right now. The first feature? Good news. It's automatically enabled when you create your channel. No work needed here. The second feature? Super easy. Just click on it. Hit Verify Phone Number, enter your number, and click Next. Boom! The second feature is unlocked instantly. Now comes the third one. This is the one most people ignore. Click on it and you'll see 3 options to verify your account. But here's the shortcut. Pick the first option. Record a quick 6-second video of yourself. That's it. It's fast, easy, and works every single time. Click Next. Get email and start verification. Record the video, submit it, and within a few hours, this feature will also be enabled. Done? Great. Now while YouTube is processing that, let's fix a few more important settings. Step 6. Advanced settings that actually matter. Inside advanced settings, first thing, turn off automatic chapters. Why? Because honestly, they never work as intended. Next, scroll down and choose your video language so YouTube knows what audience to target. Below that, you'll see the option, Show how many viewers like this video. Uncheck it. You don't want people to judge your video based on likes before even watching. Finally, choose the right category. For example, if your content is educational like mine, pick education, and that's it for this section. But wait, your channel may now be functional. But without branding, nobody will take it seriously. Let's fix that next. Step 7. Branding that builds trust. Here's the truth. People subscribe to brands, not random channels. Branding makes your channel look professional, credible, and worth following. So here's what you need to do. Click the little magic stick icon in YouTube Studio. This is where the fun begins. Upload a banner. If you don't know how, don't worry. There are plenty of free tutorials on YouTube. Next, upload your profile picture logo. I recommend making a simple, clean, unique logo using tools like Canva or asking ChatGPT for ideas. After that, add a channel description. Not sure what to write? Simple. Open ChatGPT. Type, write a catchy YouTube channel description for a channel about XYZ. Copy the one you like, tweak it a bit to add your personal touch, and paste it here. You can also add links to your social media platforms, but if you don't have them ready yet, skip this for now. Oh, and don't forget to add your business email in the contact info section. This is how brands will reach out to you for sponsorship deals in the future. Finally, in the video watermark option, upload your logo again so it shows up on all your videos. Click Publish, and boom, your channel now looks like a brand, not just a random account. Step 8. Your channel is ready for takeoff. And there you have it. If you followed every step carefully, your channel is now 100% ready to go viral. From settings to branding, we've done everything the right way. And did you notice? Throughout the process, I used ChatGPT to make things easier. From generating names to writing descriptions. Even the tags, SEO settings, and video descriptions for this tutorial, all handled by AI. That's the power of combining YouTube with AI tools. Do you have questions about monetization, SEO, or AI tools? Drop your questions in the comments below. I read them all and try to answer as many as possible in upcoming videos. Because remember, the right answer at the right time could be the key to your channel's success. One last thing before you go. What if you could unlock the entire YouTube automation system, step by step, for free? Tap the playlist on screen right now to access my complete YouTube growth system. 100% free. Start today and watch your channel transform.